Hello students. So today we are going to start with our first poem of Flamingo, class 12th, My Mother at 66. Before we start this poem, I tell you little bit background of the poem. In this poem, the poet Kamla Das, she had come to stay with her mother for a few days, and now the time has come when she is to go back. But mother is sad. She does not want that her daughter should go back. But on the other hand, she knows it very well that the daughter is having her own responsibilities and she cannot stay here for more days. So she doesn't say anything, she doesn't try to stop her. But she is sad. Now when the poem starts, here both mother and daughter, they are in the car, and the daughter, this Kamla Das, she is to take the flight. So they are going towards airport. And now they both are sitting side by side, very close to each other in the car. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, doors, open mouth, her face Asian like that of a corpse. Here Kamla Das says that when I was sitting with my mother in the car, I suddenly noticed that my mother has grown very old. And she was going towards the airport to take the flight for Cochin. And how she noticed, because the mother was sitting with closed eyes, she was little bit sleepy, she was dozing. And she was sad, that's why she was not in a mood to talk to daughter also. She was maybe trying to hide her pain, though it was visible on the face. So here, daughter when saw her mother's face, she compared her mother's face dullness with that of a corpse. Corpse means dead body. So here, we can say this is figure of speech. Simile is there, you may get this question. So here, her mother's face was compared to the face of a dead body, and she feels that her mother's face is very dull, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked. And here she realized, she felt painful that mother is grown old, even then she is living all alone, and on the other hand, she herself cannot stay for more days because she has her own works to complete. She is to go back. She has her own responsibilities. So she is also feeling painful as she realized that mother's age is 66, and now maybe for the first time she realized that yes, she is really looking very weak, wrinkled face, dull face, and she now needs somebody to stay with her. But she is helpless. She cannot stay with mother, and that's why she doesn't want to say anything now to mother, though she understands mother's pain also. So what she does, she starts looking out of the window of the car because mother is dozing, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting. So important is to put that thought away. You may get this question, what thought? The thought of her own helplessness, the thought of her mother being very old and staying all alone. So this was the thought which now starts disturbing her. But as she cannot stay, so she wanted to get rid of this painful thought, and that's why she starts looking out of the window of the car. And what she notices, first of all, she noticed the trees which were grown on the either side of the road, and it seemed as if the trees are also running along with the car. Though this happens that whenever we are in moving vehicle and the things which are stationary outside, if you look at them, it seems sometimes that they are also running along with you. So here when she looked at the trees on the either side out of the car, it seemed that these trees were running very fast. Here the poet has actually put one contrast, important question for both students. So what contrast is put? Inside the car, mother is very old. Outside the car, trees are young and vibrant. Inside the car, old mother who cannot maybe walk very fast, but outside the car, the scene is altogether contrasting, different, because these trees, they seem to run very fast. So this contrast. Now when daughter looks out of the window of the car, the scene is already altogether different. So not only trees, she notices some children also playing. The merry children spilling out of their homes. Spilling out here means coming out of their homes. She saw that there were some maybe small houses on the side of the road, and she saw that children were coming out from their houses and they were playing games also. They were looking very happy. Merry means happy. Again contrast. Inside the car, mother is unhappy. Outside the car, children are happy. Inside the car, mother is looking very dull. Outside the car, children are merry children and they are very vibrant. They are full of life. And inside the car, the mother is now thinking that she is very old. And that's why she's not even in a mood to talk. So this is contrast. So she starts looking out and she notices trees and children. Now this way they reach ultimately at the airport. But after the airport's security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her van pale. Now they reached at the airport, and at the airport at one particular point only mother was allowed to accompany the daughter. Now because daughter is to take the flight, Kamala Das is to take the flight, so mother is not allowed to cross that point. So mother, she keeps standing over there and the daughter takes few steps ahead. But suddenly she stops and she turns back, looks at the mother once again. And once again she notices that mother was still looking very pale, very wan. Wan is very dull again. Paleness was there on the face because of wrinkles. And now here once again one more simile. Here again she compares her mother's face with winter's moon. Now why winter's moon? Because actually during the winter sky is always very foggy. Especially during the night, after the evening, sky becomes foggy, or we can say sky is hardly clear during winters. And that's why the moon also never looks very clear, bright moon. So here once again she compares her mother's face with that winter's dull moon and felt that old familiar ache. And suddenly, once again, she feels that familiar ache. Ache means pain in her heart. Familiar means which is already known, which is nothing new, which is not new. So this old pain, once again she felt. And what old pain? Why it was old? Because it was childhood's fear. Actually, when Kamala Das was a child, from that day, from her childhood only, she was always having a fear of separation from her mother. That time she was a child, that's why she was having that fear. But here, once again, she felt the same kind of fear. That's why this is familiar ache. Because she was thinking now that mother is grown so old, she's looking so dull. Maybe in her heart she was thinking that, is it that this is going to be my last meeting? Is it that I would be able to meet my mother again? Or she may die because of this separation this time? Because this time she's looking very dull. So all these thoughts came to her mind, and that's why she felt kind of pain in her heart. But because she was not in a position to stay, and that's why what she did, all I said was, see you, Amma. All I did was smile and smile and smile. And that's why she said, I could not do anything at that time. I was not in a position to stay for more days. So that's why what she did, she just tried to give comfort to mother. And that's why with a smile and smile only on her face, with that smile, she said, don't worry, Amma. Bye-bye. I will come again. Very soon I will get some time and I will visit you again. See you soon, Amma. though in her own heart she's feeling pain, she's feeling that maybe this could be the last meeting, but she doesn't want to show this emotion to her on her face, because she knows that maybe if she also shows that sadness, mother would be more sad, and that's why she just wanted to give comfort to mother, and that's why she was having only smile on her face. Okay, so I hope you have understood this poem. Now very quickly I will tell you the Hindi version of this poem, so that those who are not able to understand fully, so you can understand. So now what happens, यहाँ पर कमला दास अपने मदर के घर आती हैं, और अब उनके वापस जाने का टाइम है, एयरपोर्ट की तरफ जा रही हैं, कार में बैठी हैं, मदर उदास है, लेकिन वो रोक नहीं रही हैं बेटी को, चाहती तो है कि बेटी और दिन रुके, बट वो कुछ कह नहीं रही हैं, और बेटी को भी ये समझ आ रहा है कार में बैठे हुए, उसको अपनी मदर अचानक लगने लग जाती है, बहुत उदास है, बहुत डर लग रही है, क्योंकि इनको लगता है सच में ये बूढ़ी हो गई है, 66 की एज है, यहाँ इनको शायद कोई चाहिए जो उनके साथ रहे, लेकिन वो नहीं रह सकती हैं, ये उनकी हेल्पलेसनेस है, उनकी मजबूरी है। लेकिन क्योंकि वो कुछ नहीं कर सकती हैं, तो वो बाहर खिड़की से देखना शुरू कर देती हैं, और अचानक बाहर का एटमॉस्फेयर बिल्कुल कंट्रास्टिंग है। अंदर डल मदर है, बहुत बुरी मदर है, जो शायद चल भी नहीं पाती हैं, अच्छे से काम भी नहीं कर पाती होंगी, फेस पे रिंकल्स हैं, लेकिन बाहर जब वो देखती हैं तो बाहर कुछ और नजर आता है। ट्रीज बहुत यंग से लगते हैं, बहुत तेज भागते हुए नजर आते हैं, बच्चे खेल रहे हैं जो बहुत खुश लग रहे हैं, बिल्कुल जिंदगी से भरपूर बच्चे नजर आते हैं, और अंदर मदर शायद जैसे कि बस डेथ की ही वेट कर रही है वो। तो ये कंट्रास्टिंग पिक्चर है, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन भी है। और मदर को वो यहाँ पर सबसे पहले जब वो मदर को डलनेस देखती हैं मदर के फेस पे, तो अचानक उनके दिमाग में आता है कि जैसे उनकी मदर एक डेड बॉडी की फेस की तरह लग रही है, बहुत डल फेस लगती है। तो ये पहली सिमिली है कि वो मदर के फेस को कॉप्स के फेस के साथ कंपेयर करती है। अब वो बाहर देखने लग जाती हैं, तब तक एयरपोर्ट आ जाता है, और एयरपोर्ट पे एक सिक्योरिटी चेक के बाद मदर को आगे नहीं जाने दिया जाता, सिर्फ डॉटर आगे जा रही है, और डॉटर जब आगे जाती हैं 2-4 कदम लेने के बाद फिर रुकती हैं, मदर को देखती हैं, और अचानक उनको फिर लगता है कि मदर सच में बहुत बूढ़ी हो गई है, उनका फेस बहुत डल, बहुत पीला सा पड़ा हुआ नजर आ रहा है, लेकिन क्योंकि वो रुक नहीं सकती हैं, वो कुछ कर नहीं सकती हैं, तो उनको अचानक मदर इस वक्त एक डल मून की तरह नजर आती हैं। यहाँ फिर कंपैरिजन है, सिमिली है, ओके, उसको विंटर मून की तरह फेस में डलनेस नजर आती है, और अचानक उनको वही डर जो उनको बचपन में हुआ करता था अपनी मदर से सेपरेशन का, अचानक उनके दिल में वो डर एकदम से आ जाता है। उनको एक सेकंड के लिए लगता है कि ऐसा तो नहीं, ये मेरी आखिरी मुलाकात है, लेकिन फिर भी वो अपने फेस पे स्माइल रखती हैं, क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहती हैं कि उनकी उदासी देखकर मदर और भी उदास हो जाए, इसलिए वो उदास नहीं दिखना चाहती हैं, और वो मदर को सिर्फ आश्वासन देती हैं फेस पे स्माइल रख के कि डोंट वरी, बहुत जल्दी मैं फिर आऊंगी, फिर आपसे मिलूंगी। आई होप you would have understood, and I think when you watch this video, immediately you read the poem once again, and I hope you will understand fully. Thank you.